So today I'm going to start working on the GTR and a few other odds and ends. God, I hope that's not copyrighted. So today I'm going to go ahead and rebuild the axles, do the power steering mod from the highest portion of it, the back side of it. So we're going to go ahead and rebuild his axles. I'll probably take it and put his car in the lift tomorrow. Anthony's GTR, that is. Crunch time. We're getting there, slowly but surely. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff to do. We got Williams R32 coming this weekend for paint. Got to repaint that. Got to get the Z figured out what's going on with it.
It blowed up.
It probably did. It's got really bad blow by now. But yeah.
It blowed up. Calvin's
been working on the Tahoe. He's got it knocked out for the most part. Is there anything else to find? Labias and gentlemen need to know?
I don't know. I don't think so. What's in here?
All his boots and all that.
Stabilizer barley.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God! Is that a Vibrant flex pillow?
We're dealer for Vibrant and a lot of other companies. So
electro polished. Let me see this.
Look at the quality.
Wow.
His wiring specialist harness. I just got off the phone with the sales rep from them. Hopefully, we're going to be hearing something about the harness. I'd hope this week because he's coming to pick his car up. I think next weekend. So. Look at that. This is our fabricator. What do you think? What do you think about the quality of Vibrant?
I think eBay's better.
I mean, I don't know. I mean, we've got some pretty good parts from Amazon and Evil Energy and all that. I'm not going to say the quality's not there. We like using quality parts for customers' cars. We get away with a lot of different other parts on our cars. We like to use what we can, especially if they're going to get ground off from being too low.
Body kit low. Body kit low.
Those things, all right. It's actually up higher than what it could be. It's not even on its nuts. The rear VSKFs are on the Saphira.
No, the rear VSKFs are fucking ruined. And then John don't know how to drive. Kiss the curb, and they're done.
They're still they hold there.
He's a fucking
Had to go order a new coupler. That's one of the ones I forgot to order for this build. Yeah. So hopefully this thing will be finished up. It runs really good. We got Casey's out back in Preza here for some work. The hard body is pretty much almost done. I got a few other buttons to button up. We gotta put the transmission in. We got some intercooler piping that we're gonna make into a proper intake tube as well as a filter inbound. We got a bunch of stuff coming in for this thing. Ellis Coles. It's running a micro skirt, which I'm not a fan of. I'm not a fan of fixing other projects. Yeah, Calvin.
I know personally how drunk they are.
Yeah, that's why. Well, I think we haven't hung our Haltech banner back up yet, but that's why we run Haltech on everything, because it makes life so much easier. Isn't that right, Calvin?
Oh, yeah.
And now Kelvin's car doesn't run at all because why, Kelvin?
Somebody said I want to go tasty.
Hey, that guy's who said it, not me. We got the Z. Hopefully, we'll have this mad machine going. We'll throw Casey's Subaru on the lift. We got Heather's truck. We're going to do some tune-up on it. I still can't believe my 510 has not sold. But we've got lots to do, lots to play catch up on. Koshi's truck, he needs a oil pump for his transmission, so we'll be replacing that here soon. But yeah, I need to get some fittings so Calvin can go ahead and weld this to where it loops back in. Yeah, so it's not the prettiest. It's just a swap that I threw together kind of, and we'll kind of see how it goes. I gotta get those VSKFs in the bag. But anyway, sorry for the late short episode, but I promise you tomorrow's episode we'll have a lot more to do, and we'll go from there. So you guys stay safe, have fun, and peace. So here at Adam Root Auto, and I'm picking up my grandfather's truck. First thing I noticed off the bat is this. Getting a tune-up. Also, believe it or not, this truck has also been here in the south and never driven in salty conditions. Yeah. Don't worry, guys. We're mechanics. Which none of these bolts look like they've even been touched. Yeah. So, oh hell yeah, man. Oh God. So let's see where this damage is. So let's see. There's one of the solenoids. What is that? Hell yeah, brother. We do a good job. There it is. Guys, this thing has never seen any kind of rust, guys. Never seen rust. This is why I'm like bitter about a lot of stuff. Especially shops that... Oh, wait, yeah, there you go. Guys, never seen rust a day in its life or salt conditions. Fucking clowns. I don't know if this is true, but also think they probably did this junk right here, whatever you want to call it. But yeah. But with that being said, I hope you guys liked the video. Probably threw a lot of shade that was unnecessary, but again, this truck means a lot to me. My grandfather's Jeep was also kind of my first car, and that's, you know, a big portion of my life. But we try to keep it real with everybody, and people getting screwed over is one of those things I don't like. But that's why we have the shop. That's why the shop, or the trucks, come back to our shop tomorrow. And yeah, but that being said, y'all have fun, keep it easy and be safe, and don't forget, once a Skidbilly, always a Skidbilly.